7, 2023. At pupunta kami na... Saan tayo pupunta? Where are we going?
Going to the Singapore.
Bro Alvin at si Tatay. Samahan niyo kami. Samahan niyo kami sa... Saan tayo? Singapore. Ready na, Eliza? Are you ready?
Bye.
Bago pa lang, papabango sila sa kapag
Where to die?
we're inside the tunnel.
Fly, fly.
Hello! Hello, Daddy. Kumusta naman ang pag-body search sa'yo?
2 beses body search. Picturang criminal.
Yun. O, kumusta ang pag-body search sa'yo? Pogi? Elijah, say hi! Oh, let's go na, let's go. Let's go na, let's go.
Daddy.
O, si Elise. Say hi, Elise. Elisa. Huwag mo na si... Ay, hinahabol niya pala si ano, si Elijah. Yan. Okay, let's go na, let's go. Ikaw na ang hinahabol niya, tatay. Dapat nagmamic ka na. Para naririnig ka dito, tatay. Anong gusto ka yan? Ha? What's that? Yan. Gaaway na sila nito.
Milk mo. Mas better. Mas better ang mga luggages natin. Tingnan mo, pakita mo yung mga gamit natin. Ah, sige. Ayan o. Dalawa. Aba, tapos isa nito. Kayang-kaya naman. Anong ini-expect? Dito pa nga lang, na-surprise na ako. 2 beses ako binody search. Ako nagtanggal para maparas ko. Halika dito, Elise. Video tayo ni Mami.
Bakit pag kasama mo sa iyo, nag-iba yung kulay?
Maputi ba si Elise? Kakulay yun ni Daddy. Ano yung Daddy? Mana kay Daddy? Okay. Elise, where are we going? Yes. Singapore. Very good. Are you hungry? So that's why you're drinking milk? No.
Go there. Go there.
Elijah is slowing down. We're here! Hi! Hi! Thank you. Ano tayo, tatay? Ini ba? Elijah, come here!
Definitely mas madali ngayon kaysa dati. Kasi unang-una, limited lang yung hawak natin na gamit. Ikalawa, walang moho. Huwag kayong bibili ng moho. Tapos mas manageable, malaking factor din na manageable na si Elijah. Tapos, kumuha tayo ng ID para mauna si Elijah makapasok. Hello, Elijah.
Singapore Airlines.
Where are we going? Elijah, where are we going?
Going to the Singapore.
Yeah, Elise.
Tapos ang ganda kasi may upuan tayo.
Yes.
Let's go Singapore. Looks mo na, ganyan na muna. Yo.
Picnic. This one. And a
And this one is oh, it's hot. It's hot, baby. Let's open this one. Wow, it's spaghetti. It's for Elise. Wow.
It's hot.
Kay Elijah ay, ano yan daddy? Pakita mo naman.
Chicken rice.
Chicken rice. And this one, what's this? This one is water. May water pala yan.
Spaghetti.
House food. Ha?
Ha?
House food.
Masarap. Ang dami.
Ano yung kinain?
Ano, chicken curry.
How about you, Elijah?
What did you eat?
What did you eat?
What did you eat? Ang dami siyang kinain.
We're in Singapore. Hi, Daddy. Tatay. We're Singapore. We're in Singapore. How's your flight, Elise? Good.
Tigers.
Where are we?
Airplane.
Where are we, Elijah?
Going to the Singapore. Then Universal.
Look at this camera. Elise. Elisa. Very seryoso. Elise.
Singapore. Elise is in Singapore. Look at the
Are you excited, Elijah?
Can you see the airplane? It's hot.
It's hot.
Yes, it's hot here.
Let's go, baby. Sa immigration muna tayo. Ayun si Daddy, oh. Hi, Daddy.
You can push it forward as well. Like, mag-close daw yun. It's automatic.
It's a robot, Elijah. Robot car. Look. Wow. Namimiss mo na si Vivi. Ayan. Nandito kami sa Singapore. Ang linis. Ang ganda naman dito. So, ito yung hotel namin. So, nasaan ba tayo? Elevator kami. Ang laki ng elevator. Yan. Ay, grabe, grabe. Wait, wait, wait. Fantastic. Wow, look at that. Uy,
Don't be scared.
At meron siyang extra bed for Elijah. And here. Ang ganda naman. Okay, iano ko ka mo. Hungry na siguro. Oh. Oh.
Whoa!
Oh.
Ay, dito tayo mag-dance-dance mo.
Hungry na siya. Okay, mag-dance mo. So, nandito na kami sa Singapore. Look at that man. Ayan, ito yung Singapore at night. Buildings. Wow, Daddy. Iba, ang ganda. Wow. So, ayan. Ang ganda. Shucks, kakaiba naman tong lugar na to.
Hey, wow. Ang init, guys. Ang init. Gabi na to, ha. Mali kasi yung damit ko. Dapat nagbihis na ako ng t-shirt. The Mermaid Lion.
Wow! Wow! Look at that! Tatay, mic mo po, please.
Ha?
Mic.
Di ba?
Lion. At eto ang aking pamilya. Hi, Daddy. Kumusta? Kumusta ang tagaktak? Yan. Relax muna. Alas 10 na, pero lunchtime namin.
Saan ako na?
Lunchtime pa lang?
Existence eh.
Ayo. Grabe. Ayan. Ang fruits ng ice cream. Kinuha na ni Elise. So fun. Here at Marriott.
Picture this one.
First